Whiskers twitched in wonder. A swirl of hues beckoned. What lay beyond the shimmering gateway? A crafty feline wizard cackled. Time was his playground. With a flick, he ensnared a naive heart. Glimmering in chrome, the metal doppelganger stood tall. "You've met the future," it proclaimed. "Together, we'll escape." The key shimmered like sunlight on water. "The answer lies within," whispered the breeze. "But where?" Tick-Tock grinned, chaos brewing. "Only 60 seconds, he teased. Time seemed to giggle at their plight. The metallic twins stuttered and shook. An inner battle raged. Good or mischief, which path would it choose? The sprite shimmered with fading light. "You must choose wisely," her voice echoed. Time hung in the balance. The tempest roared, pulling them in. Hearts raced. What destiny awaited on the other side? They landed, breathless. Time had whispered its secrets. Together, they embraced the now. Adventure seasoned their hearts. They grinned, realizing in unity lay the truest treasure. Time's laughter echoed, past, present, and future intertwined. It was joy that forged their journey. They stood together, gazing wide-eyed. Every moment sparkled, reminding them, tomorrow starts today.